Yo, what up? What up, everyone? I'm gonna toss this into the Discord. Can you guys? Oh, my mic's probably far away. That's probably better. I am streaming on Instagram as well. Let's get this properly situated. And then I'm live on Instagram too. Let me get that running. Sweet. I think I got most of the live streams up and running. Sorry, you guys are probably just watching my face. But honestly, we are going to just jump right in and get into it. Feel free to drop me your comments, ask me any questions about adaptive in general. But I'm just going to be building apps. I'm going to be building probably about 3 apps. So we'll see. I want recommendations. Give me ideas. I do have one right off the bat that I want to show you guys. It is extremely powerful. But let's hop right in. I need to share my screen. So I'm going to share the entire screen of how powerful the AI functionality of adaptive is. And this is one thing I discovered recently is that adaptive can connect into your actual webcam on your laptop, and then it can live track, live analyze your movements and then do an assessment. So I want to build an AI online therapist, a physical therapist that tracks my movements and is able to maybe give me some exercise recommendations based on the injury. So let's say that I want build me an online AI physical therapist that recommends me, that analyzes, how about that? That analyzes microphone to then clinic recommend. Oh, I suck at spelling sometimes. Recommend me to then clinically, what do I click? Clinically diagnose. How about that? Diagnose and then recommend me exercises to heal my injury. Build me an online AI physical therapist that analyzes my movements through cameras and listens to it via microphones to then clinically diagnose and then recommend me exercises to heal my injury. All right. That will be building in our background while we get up and running, let's say, another one. What's up, Paris? Welcome. I'm gonna look. Sorry, guys. I'm pulling up my my chat here. Welcome, Primal. Sweet, we got 13 of you all here. Use GPT keyboard to make your prompt better. Okay, that's a good recommendation. So we have obviously ChatGPT already plugged into Adaptive, as well as Claude, Anthropic, as well as Google Gemini, all the different top LLMs, just so you know. So you can kind of give it a generic prompt, and then our AI itself grabs your prompt and then creates sort of that like product requirements. It makes it more enhanced, it makes it better for you. So feel free to do that, and that will help. Don't get me wrong, but you can also just you also can just like have it work like just by giving it a generic prompt. So I want a recommendation. I want you guys to recommend me a second one while this one's building, because I want to like kind of build two and then we'll build a third one at the same time. So I want you to recommend me something. I want to think through something. I have several different ideas, but as this one's building, so this is building and it's connecting into our camera on our laptop, and then it should analyze our movements, hopefully. And again, we'll debug this together, but and then I want you guys to come up with another idea. Let's hear your ideas in the chat while I let this build. Let's see. What's up, Jules? What's up, Tomas? Peekaboo, can you do games? Yeah, we could test the game, Peekaboo. You guys want what sort of game maybe? I know I created like sort of a fun little boat racing game, but definitely we can be creative. That's the thing. So if you guys don't, can we do Brick Breaker? Just it's simple. Sure, why not? I don't know if I have built Brick Breaker fully. So Brick Breaker. Can you build me Brick Breaker game? I'm just gonna say that and let's see what it comes up with. And again, this is what's awesome with Adaptive. Just one prompt it will build something, and then we can adapt it to fit our needs. Tetris, cheers. Thanks, Peekaboo, for the recommendation. Super Mario, that would be pretty cool. So it is saying it's launching the app now here. Now viewing Flex AI Therapist. Awesome. Super cool. Okay, so it looks like it built something where I can upload movements as well as start recording. Let's wait before I build. This is like another tip too. If you guys get like eager, I always struggle at this too. Like it builds something, it launches it, and then I start actually like inputting some things. Sometimes you'll lose your data because like you'll be putting your data in there, going through a flow, and then it like rebuilds again because it launched like another feature. So try to have the patience to truly wait there. And then let's see what this is coming up with. So can you build me a Brick Breaker game? I'm actually kind of excited. I haven't done a ton of work with building games, so this will be actually a fun one. So Pramila, you ask, is this using Google Vision? So the way Adaptive works is it understands through the prompt. So like the prompt I said, like that analyzes my movements through cameras and listens it via microphones to then clinically diagnose. Okay, so one thing that's cool is that I kind of forgot to like say like track my movements like live, do a live assessment, but it seems like it built that here through analyze and start recording. So what the AI does is it understands like, okay, I need to be able to like assess body movements. I need to like live track. So what it does is our agent's able to go out on the web and then basically understand like what it needs. And if it has like an open like API or an open like source code base that we can like pull from, it will, and then it will like enable itself to have that functionality too. So says I've successfully created Flex AI or AI-powered movement analysis and personalized physical therapy app. The app is now live with 3 main sections for recording movements, getting AI analysis, and following personalized exercise plans. Record or upload movement videos, get AI-powered movement analysis. Sweet. So let's test it out, guys. Putting it to the test, that was pretty quick. What was that? 5 minutes to build an AI tracking. Okay, let's start recording. Okay, see that? So it's asking for permission into my webcam. I don't know. I don't know if you got. I think that's amazing. So allow while visiting the site. There I am. Let's go. That's so sick. Okay, so it's recording right now. Oh, it's connected to my top camera, and that's the stream camera. How am I gonna do this? Maybe I'm just gonna act like I have a bum ankle. Like, uh, I kind of wish it was doing it live. That's what I'm gonna change. Maybe. Let's see real quick. Video recorder cycle ready to analyze movement. Okay. I mean, obviously, I'll probably have to do another one. I'm gonna do another one because like half the time I was recording, I was probably just sitting there. So actually, let's just do that right now. And we could probably do this better. Okay. I'm gonna turn the lights for this. This is what's so fun is that you get to just play around with this stuff. Okay, so it's starting to record. Oh, my ankle. Get this out of the way. Okay, I just acted like I have a bum ankle. So that one's also gonna analyze. So sorry, let me just readjust all the cameras. Oh. Pending exercises. Okay, so it says it completed. It analyzed the assessment. And then, sorry, I'm kind of all over the place, guys. And I'm trying to like keep track. It says it analyzes. Let's go to exercises. Glute bridges. Personalized exercise based on your movement analysis. This helps re-educate proper squat mechanics by focusing. Okay, super cool. That I can mark as complete. But I want to show. Okay, that's a bug there that needs to be fixed. And no, that's it completed. I mean, see the power of what we can do with this. Oh, I added more exercises now because of this one finished too. But I want to add like a live, like, can you add a live assessment where I can start a session and analyze my movements, then and diagnose what you think is wrong. Can you have a live assessment where I can start a session? It starts the camera. And then you can analyze the movements and diagnose what you think is wrong. Okay. So while that one's building, I'll look at some of your guys' questions real quick. I was chatting with GPT about improving prompts and adaptive, suggesting not to talk to adaptive chat like humans, but instead give it programming science requirements. Taha, we were just talking about that a little bit ago, and basically what I was saying is that you can give it generic prompts like this. We have built-in AI that takes your generic prompt and then like builds an in-depth like AI optimized version of it. If you go to GPT and you like give it a generic prompt and recommend it to give you a better prompt, totally fine if you works. It's not like gonna like hurt you at all. It's another step that you don't necessarily have to do. I don't do that, and I don't have any issues with it. So let's see. This is the game now. So Brick Breaker Classic. I mean, I think it was you, Peekaboo, that recommended this. It looks familiar. Look, that's my mouse right there. I mean, it works so smooth. Okay, press spacebar to start and pause. Okay. Use arrows to move the paddle. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is insane. I wonder if I can like speed it up because obviously this is like too easy. But it built it one shot. One shot built this, guys. Absolutely insane. Oh, you guys are on my camera, on my laptop camera, not my HDMI camera. But tell me that's not insane. So it, guys, obviously, yeah, it can build games, and then we can like customize. That's what is insane about adaptive, right? And I know I've said this multiple times now already, but like the classic Brick Breakers game, Brick Breaker Classic, like you can now optimize, you can build on your own. Like whatever you want Brick Breaker Classic to be, if you weren't satisfied with this current version, then just build it. Just be like, I want to change. I mean, let's do this ourselves right here. So what should we change the like tiles to? Uh Sign Primal, that's a good idea. Sign language app with Google Vision. Unfortunately, I just like do not know how to use sign language, obviously. But uh but maybe someone here does. I don't know. What do we want the bricks like? How can does anybody have any recommendations on how to like let's play around with Brick Breaker Classic to like truly figure out like like what I've been trying to say, like how we can truly like adapt it to what we want. Like maybe okay, I mean like when the bricks break, when break have explosion animations. How about that? Tile explosion in the pixel. Okay, sorry, I didn't see your comment, Primal, but great recommendations. Or change running your rack 3 fire. Okay. After builds, can you download the project? So Primal, you can, but you can't to an extent. So again, to make adaptive work, we have to build our own internal environments to fully make it functioning. So what you can do is you can view the code here and you can view all the different files within. Uh, you can review all the different files here. And you can technically like go ahead and copy and paste them out. We don't enable you to export them because again, hear me out, is that if you were to go and copy and paste these out, a lot of it, like especially the AI parts and any integrations that you have, they won't necessarily fully work just by copying and pasting. You're still gonna have to tweak it to not rely on Adaptive's environment. So you theoretically can, but it won't be just as simple as copy and pasting, won't be as simple as just exporting it out. So you have to like, for the most part, I would just say I would recommend just staying in. So, or sorry, my bad, Primal. I meant Peekaboo asked about exporting. You said something about the explosions. That's what I was kind of saying. Where I didn't realize you guys mentioned explosions when I already prompted that. Let's go back to the therapist now. Okay, so it says your live assessment feature is now fully complete with real-time camera streaming and immediate movement analysis. You can start sessions, capture frames. Okay, live assessment. Okay, so I think it's this top camera. Let's see. That's connected to. Okay. You guys can see me here. I'm gonna do a funny little analysis. Obviously you can see my screen too. Okay, let's see. Oh, I need to get it further. Oh, the bum ankle. What is it saying? Needs improvement. Let's see. Look what was provided for analysis. Corrective cues. Please provide. Oh, wait. Do I need to stop the session? Or is it analyzing? Okay. I'm debugging. Let's see. What's that? So I'm going to grab that output and then give it here. Get this response when doing a live analysis. So that's one thing that you want to do is always give it as much information as possible when you're having errors or when you're like wanting to debug. You want to basically copy all the messages that you can that the app is giving you, and then give it back to Adaptive to basically be able to debug. So while that's building, let's hop back into Brick Breaker. If you're satisfying explosion animations, whenever you destroy each destroyed brick creates a burst of colorful particles that fly outward and fade away. All right, let's see. Oh, what? Wait, hold on. Nope. Let's see. Just tested it. Put my face on the ball. That's actually hilarious. Okay, that's another thing. You can technically like type to queue a message. So once it's like done building, like I want to change the ball into a picture of my face. So enable me. So connect to my camera and enable me to take a picture. Use that picture and grab my face to then put on the ball. That's an insane feature, but I love it. So what this is doing is I put in this like feature request, this first one, and then as it's building, it's still building, but I have then queued up another message. So it's gonna finish building, and then once that's done, finish building, it's then gonna go into the queue. It's gonna go to your second message, and then build that, and then keep going down the line from there. So that's a fun, cool little feature. Let's now go back to Flex AI. I wonder, it may be a little bit hard. It may have to try to get the Flex AI therapist off the bat. So it says it's done. I fixed the issue 11. Shower, live assessment, start live session. I'm just gonna do my wrist. Person seated, appearing highly focused or tense with a clenching right fist raised to shoulder height. Immediate concerns, visible tension in the right arm fist. Guys, I got it. Like, let's see. So you just have to keep reanalyzing movement, which I like, right? You only want to do a movement for so long. That is insane. Guys, it literally like the individual appears highly engaged, possibly in a discussion or interacting with the screen. And the active hand gesture, only the upper torso is clearly visible, limiting a comprehensive postural assessment. Guys, we have built within what? 3 prompts? 1, 2, 3, within 11 minutes or 20 minutes. We have just built our own AI physical therapist. If we stop that session, does it recommend? I'm sure it will, or we can add. We just built an AI physical therapist, live analyzing. Okay, a YouTube video and analyzer completely. Can you add payment systems? Yes, we can add payment systems to this. Yes, I do add, please. Make it to Super Mario. Yeah, we can add, let's try to build Super Mario 2. Why not? In the background. Again, I want to just build. This is like what's so fun is that we can build so many. Build me a replica of Super. I'm just gonna say build me Super Mario. Build me Super Mario. What's up, Logan? Did you just see this? Did you see our live here? I just want, again, this is absolutely insane, like what we just built. So it's analyzing my movements. This is a live AI physical therapist. And then boom, it's gonna track it. The individual is a relaxed seated posture. The head appears slightly forward and the gaze is directed off to the side. The left arm is raised with a fisted hand, possibly indicating mid-gesture. Slide forward head posture and posturally rounded neck. Credit cues. Gently tuck your chin and bring your head back. Yeah, I definitely sit like a shrimp. I am part of the bad posture club. That's for sure. Guys, that is... Okay, let's see the Brick Breaker game real quick. Okay, sweet. Your Brick Breaker now features a personalized ball system where you can capture your own face using the device's camera and use it as the game ball AI line. The AI, see, that's what's absolutely insane. The AI will be able to detect our face. Let's see. Wait, where is it? Oh, it got the explosions. Look at that. Go on. So sick, dude. Within 2 prompts, we got it to work. So we just built this. Where is the camera though? So we'll just have to prompt that. Where is the camera button to take a picture and add my face to the ball? Am I blind? Do I just not see it? Flappy Bird game, so we can create our own Firefly clone. Nice. Yeah. Bad. Yeah, seriously, bad. Maybe like shrimp, there's memes of like the shrimp. That's me basically. You can call this shrimp AI therapist, maybe. So this is building Super Mario. Use arrow keys. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys, dude. That is like, I mean, the UI's not perfect, but the way the keys work, I know you guys can't see mine. let's see. Let's see. I'm using the keys right here. And it's so clean, like the interface here, absolutely insane. Reset, but I want to like, yeah, like create levels now. Let's do that. I want to like progress. Can you create levels and add obstacles to make it more of a challenge? Okay, let's see. What you need? Camera. Yes. Yes. Please. Okay, so that is one thing too that you guys should take into account is you can ask it questions. Just I was like, where is the camera button to take the picture and add my face wall? I didn't tell it to like build that. I probably just should have. If you just ask it questions, it can analyze your code. It can take screenshots of your app and then like be able to figure out maybe what's wrong or like what the actual capabilities of it are. So I prompted that, and that doesn't necessarily count towards your build things. We only count basically versions being created. So super powerful feature there. So make sure to just ask it questions on this. Yeah, it says it hasn't built, and it was like, would you want me to implement? So I'm like, yes, please implement. Okay, so I said, can you create new levels and add obstacles? Let me know if you guys want me to add anything with the Flex AI therapist. Again, at this rate, we can build 2-3 more. So if you guys have how smart you are after each round, it should create criteria for each. Add parallax background and floor size scroll. Primal, what are you saying? Add that to the Super Mario game? Sorry, I'm to be honest, I'm not too familiar with what parallax background. Oh, I see. Like where the I see what you're saying. Yeah, that's for Super Mario, I believe. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for this one to build real quick, and then I'll just queue it actually. Yeah, what am I doing? Add parallax background floor for scroll slide effects. Sweet. I queued that up. Guys, what's kind of sick here, in my opinion, is that like by the power of the community, we're able to like build a pretty cool app. Multiple apps, but like the Super Mario one, like someone has the idea of Super Mario, and then everyone else is just adding features. Like it's kind of an interesting concept to like see what as a community we can all like build. Taha, you said ask it to analyze how smart you are after each round. It should create criteria for each level if it had levels and analyze performance based on best possible possibility. That's interesting. Definitely gonna. Yeah, that'd be cool. Super cool. Brick Breaker, let's go back. Did it implement it yet? Nope. Guys, think about I want to hear. I know probably you said like YouTube analyzer, maybe like a speech therapist. You had the sign language app. Like, what I want to understand, I want to build another one right now. Here, like, what can we build using the camera functionality now? Like, now that we have the ability to tap into our webcam or laptop, or obviously like what can we build? I really do. I really want to use the power of the camera. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. So the game creation is possible to add complex rules for create just like Fire Emblem or Advanced War. I mean, Jewel, the amazing thing is that you can one prompt it yourself and like see if it's capable. Like I was saying, like it's able to do things that sometimes you like don't fully like know, and it's amazing. Like it's like mind blowing. Like I was mind blown the other day when I realized that it can tap into my like webcam and analyze live movements. So that's the power of adaptive, the AI functionality. So yep, Logan, I completely agree. Power of the community, man. Each community member can create a version of the app. Well, that's the thing too, is that so here I can basically, once this is done building, or I'll just do it right now. I can hit share the app, right? I want to enable the share link. I can copy that. I can not allow remixing or allow remixing. Basically, allowing remixing is I can basically send that to you guys, and then you guys can then hop in and build off it how you see fitting. So I'll do that. I'll send it in the Discord to for all the different apps that we build, and you guys can go and run with it. It'd be kind of hilarious to see what you guys come up with. But for now, I mean, I'll send them in the chats as like they build. I'll send this one first. Share that link. So I'm sending the. I'm sending that. That's the AI therapist one, because that one's done. Unless we want to build off of that, but it's pretty much complete. Super Mario seems like it's finished. No, it hasn't finished. Guys, I still think that this is insane. Like this, the tracking, or like, I know you guys can experience like the keyboard movements, but it like truly does feel like Super Mario, like with the keyboard tracking. Can we make our Zoom app to have meetings? I mean, maybe you could basically build Zoom, right? $3 menu analyzer, perfect. QR code scan, reader, perfect. I know it can for sure do that. I mean, let's say build me a QR code reader. I just don't know how I'm going to test this, to be honest. I mean, I could just have create. I'll just go to chat GPT. In the meantime, create a scannable QR code that links to adaptive.ai. Basically, I'm trying to like build the QR code real quick. I think ChatGPT. Oh yeah, here. Okay, perfect. Super simple, straightforward, easy. But then how am I going to? I'll just go to it on my phone, and I'll show you guys my phone. So that's building. Okay, so finish the first one. Can you create levels, add obstacles to it? And then now it's adding the parallax background, which is awesome. Brick breaker. Okay, this one's done now. So let's, okay, so I can add my face. Well, where is it? Where's it looking? I have like 27 different apps now running. And so I don't know if I was able to, cannot process your face. Yeah, for some reason, something's going on with my webcam. I think it's because it's this one. I have like 3 cameras attached to my laptop right now, so it's bugging out. Let's just auto repair that. I don't know why. Basically, I for the live stream, I was hoping that it would be connected to this camera, and I forgot to set it up correctly. Oh, I really want to play the Super Mario bad now. I want to see what these levels are like. Okay, the QR code scanner is now, for the most part, finished to an extent. Let that going, but the Super Mario. Okay, let's hit resume. So sweet. Yeah, look how laggy it is now because you guys can't hear this, but my laptop is absolutely like cooked. It's running so hard and it's implementing the fan really loud. Gosh, I love those animations. I really want to get this face thing to work. We get this face to work, it's gonna be money. Whoa, that was kind of weird though. I don't know if you guys saw that. Was that like a super power up? Okay, I'm gonna pause that. Come on, Super Mario. I'm gonna maybe close this to help my laptop a little bit run smoother. I know I should use my phone camera. Can you assign the cameras? That is a great question. Maybe for this one, it's gonna ask me to enable my camera. Then maybe I can connect. Oh, Super Mario Adventure game now features a stunning parallax scrolling background with multiple layers that can create a beautiful depth effect as Mario moves through the world. The camera smoothly follows the player while the background layers move at different speeds. Let's see, guys. I'm kind of nervous. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, shoot. Okay, so it just immediately goes. Ah, shit. Guys, insane. I mean, the levels obviously are kind of just the same. But the parallax with the obstacles, okay, I'm gonna actually hit one of these people on purpose and then see what happens. Oh, so it ends the game. It gives me my best score. Dude, that's insane. I didn't know that was called parallax. Guys. And it even adds points for you get the whoo. Let's go. Level 4 complete. Pretty insane. Obviously, I'll share this right now for you all. Because maybe someone can try to kill one of the enemies. How do I kill them? Oh, do I jump on top of them? Right? Is that how? I honestly, it's been a minute since I played. No, I don't know how you I don't know how you kill one of the enemies, but I just landed on top of one, and then it ended the game. So when you land on them or touch them. But guys, I'm sending you this game right now. let's see. So wild. Okay, can I add my face now? I think it's something with one of my cameras or something. Because this, my whole setup's weird. Let me maybe disconnect this camera. Let's see. Okay, see how it's not? Oh, now it is. Well, now it's trying to connect to the one that I previously had it. Okay. This is so sweet. All right, guys, we built 3 apps. I mean, we can finish the QR scanner. It's going to be able to do it relatively quickly. But I do have to end this stream in a couple minutes. I don't know if you guys have any questions right off the bat. Let me know if you have any final questions before we end this. But let's end it by doing a. Okay, so you can upload an image. That's kind of sweet because that's like a good way to test this. Shoot, did I download that or no? Oh, yeah, that's right. Is that in my desktop? Yep. Okay. So I'm just gonna upload this image. Okay, here. Probably wants it as an image. Okay, let's just do my camera scan. I'm gonna do this on my phone and then just show you guys. Also, I don't think I saved. Now that I think about it, I don't think I. Once I. Yeah. Okay. Let's test it real quick. Sorry, I'm just sharing this to myself. Copy. Let's see this. All right. Well, to the 3 people that are watching Instagram right now, I'm sorry. We're gonna lose our stream. Three, 2, 2, 6, 1. Done. All right, so I'm in. As you guys can see, let's. I know my screen is being shared here. Oh well. Camera scan. So I'm pulling this up, and I need to enable. I don't know how to show you guys because I have to scan it to then it's just automatically loading. Maybe I'll try the image upload or something. So it connects into my photos, and then I'm gonna image upload that. Scan result. I don't know if you guys can see. Adaptive AI. Super clean, super powerful, and I can copy that, or I can, it literally just opened adaptive there. So super cool. I mean, I know I kind of wanted to show you guys the live analysis of the cameras, and it's kind of fun that we went into gaming, like building games, as well as testing more functionality of the camera itself. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Thanks for joining. I don't see any last questions, so we'll end it here. Hopefully you guys have been able to hear me. I just realized my mic was over there. But yeah, please let me know. I'm gonna send another email. We're probably gonna do this on a weekly cadence. It's good to connect with you guys. And if you guys have any requests for any apps being built prior to then, let me know. Follow us on Instagram, on all the adaptive accounts, as well as YouTube. Gonna be posting more and more content. That's like the goal here. Like doing these live streams, filming Instagrams, filming YouTube shorts, filming videos to help you guys figure out what you truly can build. Because that's the hard part, is that you can build anything and everything. So thank you guys. Look forward to seeing you all next week.